So today we check in at the Meriton Suites in Campbell Street, Sydney. So I stayed here many years ago, so it's time to revisit this hotel. So I will show you what it's really like inside the Meriton service apartment. Today I book an luxury studio room, so 1 bedroom. So let me show you. So we just arrived today, so we are on the 33rd floor of this building. So we have a dining suite here, with a table with 3 seats, a couch, and a mini kitchen here, a stove if you want to do a little bit of cooking. The basics, all beautifully clean cutleries, your basic things for cooking if you want to do a little bit of cooking, and little things, can opener, pots and pans, your kettle, coffee and tea. There's a microwave up there and a fridge. Wow, that's big fridge, good enough to stay for a week or so. I remember staying in one of these rooms many years ago, and there is a washing machine. So let me check where that is. So as you can see, there is a washing machine and a dryer here for a long and short stay. If you need to do your washing, you can use that here, and also the dryer. Wow, look at this beautiful clean, immaculate bathroom, toilet and shower combined. Hi there. So you have your body wash here, conditioner, lotion, soap, tissues. This is very beautiful, very clean area. And this is my favorite part, the bed. So I believe that is a queen size bed with 4 pillows and a television here, a very good size wardrobe. It's very immaculate, very clean. Let me check what it's like here. Wow, you have your safe deposit box here with hangers, deposit bags with hangers here. It's so big. I would have liked to stay here much longer. There's drawers, 1 2 3 4 sets of drawers, enough power points to charge your electronics, a bedside table here with a clock and bedside lights, lamp, and a heat pump there for cooling and heating. So it's so beautiful. So for our 1 night stay here, I paid $185 in the month of July, which is winter time. So that's very good value for money. I have stayed here before, also in Meriton Suites apartment in Sydney, and I've always been impressed with their rooms, service. Everything is just so perfect, immaculate, clean. The good thing about staying in one of their apartments is that you just have a lot of room, you have space, you can relax by yourself or with a group of people of your family and friends. So I recommend staying in Meriton Service Apartment, any of their branches in Melbourne, Sydney, Gold Coast, anywhere in Australia is really worth your money. So Meriton Service Apartment is highly recommended by me for your comfortable stay. Thank you everyone. This is Jet Setter Ruth. Thank you for watching.